Yo, let me play, yo. I want to fucking play.
Look at all those
I
laptops.
just want to play! I don't want to do it, it's just fucking play this H1Z1. But it fucking lags all the time!
You can't even respawn. Where are you at, J4? Come to
Huh?
D5.
How do you know where I'm at all the time? How the hell are you reading that shit?
I'm looking on your screen and looking at the
What
bottom.
a screen picker.
Picker.
Since he was 3 years old, screen picking. One chopstick of asshole. Two chopstick of asshole. What'd you say last time? Cause 3 cost too much.
3 will cost.
We had 3 will cost you. Where am I going?
Hey, why are you being mean to me, man? I'm not even trying to kill you, but you're just being mean. You see what you do when you're being mean to people? Mate, you suck your dick, go home, scrub.
Hey, I found a secret temple as a floating furnace.
You suck, motherfucker.
Humanity, the secret furnace. Oh, secret furnace! Oh, secret and wise furnace! Please bring my friend NoRax back to me. He's lost, and I think he's in trouble.
Hey, what did he do? Mate, I told you to stop that because you suck dick, mate. I don't know if you're trying to do, but you need to stop. I said on a mine. He placed that mine there, man. I did not want to die.
Furnace, oh, secret and wise furnace! Please bring my friend NoRax back to me. He's lost, and I think he's in trouble. I think it's in lots of trouble, and it smells. I don't know what's going on.
What did you do? How did I get here, dude?
Dude, I wish that the fucking furnace. It brought you here. What the hell are you doing? You shitting?
Oh yeah, I was. I had to take a massive dump right after I just wasted some kid with full gear, which I was about to loot. So good job, dude. Good
What are you
job.
shitting in here for? This is the woods, yo. Hold your fucking pants. What kind of shirt are you wearing, anyways? Whoa, dude, look like you are taking shit. Look at you got your pants down and everything. Dude, what are we doing? We need to go do the recording with your pants down. What the hell are we thinking? Oh, wise and wonderful furnace. Oh, wise and wonderful showerhead. The showerhead is now wise.
I'm trying to find a backpack.
Ooh, dude, you got bullet holes. You alright? You alright, bro?
Oh,
You like the
car
Terminator or some
battery? Are you
shit?
serious?
What? It's just on the nightstand, you know. People that's where you typically keep them. Keep it on a nightstand in case you need to ever take a battery. You know? No, they're saving it for, you know, when you take it to Walmart, you need to get your core charge, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That $12, yo. Missouri State fee.
You're getting up.
I hear him. You don't hear him?
Hey, friendly, please don't kill me. Friendly, what the hell? Man, you suck dick! What are you trying to shoot me?
These nuts.
You're close to me.
Got him! Got him!
I heard. What the hell? Let me in! Let me in! Let me in! Hey.